Welcome to MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia. Today we're here to look at a brand new 2020 well-equipped Boston Whaler Dauntless 21. When you look at this boat and all the features and options on this boat, it's hard to compare this to any other boat in the market of like size. As I move forward, before I get forward, back here you have your water wash down and a pump where you could hook up a hose and wash down the boat if you want from external water. You also got 4 rod holders back here. And of course you've got the rear seats which fold down into a fish platform, so you can stand out here and fish from this as well. As we move forward, you have your helm seat, which is also a live well. So this can be picked up and moved to different positions. So if you want to fish this way, you can do that. If you want to just sit facing that way, you can do that. But for you fishermen, the most important part of this is your large live well. Underneath it's lit and aerated. Knife holder, all the accessories you need to be ready to fish. Coming forward, you also got 2 more rod holders built into this boat. Coming forward, you've got your helm station, your Raymarine fishfinder GPS, glove box, magnetic compass, hydraulic steering, trim tabs on this boat with tab indicators. Your vessel view mode is built into your gauges, so you can see your hours, your troll speed adjustments, all functions going on with your engines, all your rocker switch panel, and all these resettable breakers for those functions. This has a digital throttle, so you can adjust your speed for dock, throttle only. Since it's a single engine boat, we don't need a transfer. You've also got a start-stop function right built into the throttle, or you can use a conventional key to start the boat over here. If you look up, of course this has the hardtop feature. You have storage, ease on hook, storage for life jackets or anything you want to store up there. Most people put foldable life jackets up there and get them out of the way and out of your compartments and keep them dry. You got a work light here. You got 4 rod holders after this, and of course your running light's the top of that. Nice powder coated railings going forward. As you come forward, again, you notice another live well, which is also a seat. More rod holders, cup holders, a backrest, so if you want to sit down and relax, you can do that. This boat is equipped with rod holders. It's also equipped with remote stereo. This boat has a Fusion stereo, which is Bluetooth, and you can control it also from forward if you want. If you're sitting up here and just riding. All these seat cushions are removable. They're snapped in, so this becomes a fishing deck underneath. Your anchor storage is up forward. This whole section comes up for fish box here, and another section forward for your anchors. Well, the stainless steel safety rails throughout. Bow light if you want to put it up there. Good solid ride, good V bottom, but not so deep that you can't use this as a bay boat. That's really what the Dauntless is designed to be, is a well-equipped, well-designed bay boat. As with all whalers, this boat is unsinkable. So safety first with all whalers. They're going to get you home regardless. Thanks for your time.